Honey, I shrunk the NSX engine. Guys, if you haven't seen that 80s movie, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids, it's really fun. Well, today we have a special treat for you because we have DBS Works NSX engine model and it is epic. I'm really excited. But before we dive in, I have to give a big shout out because this video wouldn't have been possible to my friend and fellow NSX owner and enthusiast Jasser, because he mailed me his own model because when I was looking for these, they were sold out. I'm not sure if they're still sold out, but this is awesome. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this model. Well, first off, one of the things I love is look at the little rubber belt. That is so cool. And look at the Honda OEM oil filter. I approve. Guys, this is really neat. And one of the things I love about it is that it comes painted and it doesn't look bad. It actually looks like the colors that you see in the NSX, and it is super, super neat. Oh my gosh. And really, it's a lot bigger than I thought. When I first saw these in the pictures on Facebook, I thought it was a lot smaller, but it's actually a really nice size. And I think it's really neat. And from what I understand, it's 3D printed, and it's not the injection mold stuff from what I was talking with Jasser about. But one of the things I wanted to really look at this, because you see pictures on Facebook, but I wanted to see the quality, see if there's like some flaky skins. I don't know if you guys know about 3D printing, but I've ordered some stuff on eBay, and sometimes, there's like some of the molding is still attached to it and you have to kind of like sand it down, but this actually looks really good. I don't see anything flaky and it looks awesome. Now, one of the things I found interesting was that DBS Works is located in Spain. And I was talking with Jasser about that. I was like, ooh, international shipping. But he said that he got it about 5 to 7 business days, which is pretty cool. It was shipped DHL and it came nice. And oh, I have to show you this real quick. It's actually different color. Look at that. This is actually a kind of like a chrome paint that they use for the oil fill cap, which is really neat. Now, Koyu Automotive, which is a really good on NSX shop, they also carry these. So they get them from DBS Works, I'm assuming, and they have some inventory. You can get them from them as well. And one of the cool things that they offer is they offer a different intake cover manifold. So we have the red one here, but I believe they offer a black one as well, which is really neat. But guys, this is super cool. I saw it and I wanted you guys to see this up close, and also get somebody's eye on it as far as the quality, and the quality is exceptional. I really think this is awesome. We're not sponsored or anything, but as you guys know, we have an NSX, and anytime there's a cool NSX part or something like that, I want to take a time to review it and look at it. But again, thank you so much, Jasser, for letting me take a video of this, and this is really neat. And I myself will have to get on the wait list as well because this is totally worth it.